Hi guys, welcome to Startup Africa podcast. I'm your host Jessy, and today we are at this is the African Tech Summit 2024 happening in Nairobi, the Sarit Center. There's a lot of startups, networking, and all investors in place. Startups are here. You can get to see them. You can get to interact with them. You get to see them alongside through the podcast. I've recorded some interviews, some good experience about this whole thing. So you'll get to see. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you listen and share everything.
We are dedicated to shaping the future of education by upskilling Africa's workforce. And I'm here at the Africa Tech Summit 2024, Nairobi. It's been an amazing 2 days so far, meeting with different people, different founders, getting to connect with people, also solving problems that we have in Africa.
Gabriel Saka. I work for the Visa Innovation Studio. I'm in charge of innovation and design. I sit with the office in Nairobi. So what we're doing here is that we are here because of the Visa Accelerator Program. It's an accelerator program that takes in startups that work in different sectors and expose them to visa rails, expose them to our partners as well, and also expose them to possibilities of funding. We're here because we're trying to solve the problems that exist in Africa. These problems can only be solved through startups and through collaborating with the startups and connecting them with various organizations that help them achieve what they need. So far, the event has been really good. There's good connections, there's good conversations with people, and there's also good presentations from the various split areas. There's also master classes some people have been attending, and also just the conversations inside the space are also really, really engaging.
What's your name?
So my name is Eugene Wagasore.
What do you do? Who are you representing?
Sure. So I'm from Pindo. I co-founded and I'm the CTO of Pindo, and we do cloud communication. So the main purpose that we are here in Africa Tech Summit is to showcase our new development in AI. So we're using voice AI to kind of unlock a market of many Africans. So Sub-Saharan Africa has 30+% of Sub-Saharan Africans have literacy limitations, or they don't have access to internet. So that's 400 million of people. So what we're doing is enable them and allow our organization to target them as customers so that they can engage in digital services. So that's really in a nutshell what you're doing.
So how has the experience been knowing that you are doing AI?
So AI, it's a catchy word. So if you don't have a practicality around it, people would notice. But we have seen huge interest in many organizations who are saying they know the program, they have been living the program with the program. Now they're excited to see people who are developing application and kind of using the language that are local to nations, because AI in English is really, really advanced. But how about AI in Swahili? How about AI in Kinyarwanda, where I come from? So all of that is what we are doing. We are making AI local and then using our local language and engaging in our language.
Where can people find you?
So we are like Pindo online, obviously. It's pindo.io, pindo.io. But we are available on all social networks as pindo.io as well. Twitter, LinkedIn, and yeah. Thank you.
So So, who are you? What's the team represents? Yes,
Brian Amanya,
I'm Jessy Lesley.
and yeah, this is Tuwayo. I'm the CEO and co-founder, and we're here at the Africa Tech Summit. Tuwayo is Africa's digital marketplace for the world. We've built both Airbnb version and Shopify version for Africa in one app. So Airbnb is such a great model that gives an opportunity to individuals to earn extra revenue by listing their available spaces. However, it's a global solution. So we've got that global model and localized it for the African market.
So how are you finding the experience here?
So our experience has been amazing because we get to learn a lot of things from these other tech industries, and also sharing our solution, because that brings awareness to everybody. And then also what I've liked is that every time things are coming up, right? Like the innovative world. So we get to get your ideas on what problems to solve and how to solve them, and also solutions to also incorporate in our Tuwayo. So that's been about it.
Where can people find Tuwayo?
So we're online, download our app, both on Play Store and Apple Store. Thank you.
Okay. I'm fine.
Who are you?
My name is Joseph Dara. I'm developer advocate at Insmax.
Imported from Kenya.
So we came in from Nigeria today, yeah.
So what does it do?
So Insmax is a blockchain protocol that is scaling payments. We have a blockchain wallet, and we have a stateless ZK rollup, which is built on Ethereum, and also we have a plasma called Plasma Next.
Do you think crypto blockchain is the next new thing?
It's not exactly the new thing, but the way we are handling it, the way we are thinking about it, the way we are doing it, we're actually helping people handle payments, both sending and receiving of crypto within the country, within the continent, and it's basically revolutionizing and scaling payments using crypto on the continent. Yeah, it's been fine. It's been good connecting with people that already know crypto, and it's been good educating people that didn't know anything about crypto. And it's also been good trying to, talk to people who had, bad experiences with crypto and show them the better side on how to do it. So, Insmax, just go to the website, insmax.io, or on Twitter, insmax.io. And yeah, you get more information on Insmax. Thank you.
products, focusing primarily on electric boda bodas and electric matatus.
What problem are you trying to solve, and how are you finding the competition with an electric kind of products?
So the problem we're trying to solve is access to e-mobility products. A lot of companies in the world are not designing for sub-Saharan Africa. We're a Kenyan company, we're based in Nairobi. We have a lot of people who understand what the boda boda market is, which is a difficult thing to define, and the matatu market as well. So rather than trying to throw in maybe Western or design products into a market that doesn't really fit, we're designing for the market that exists here and in other countries in sub-Saharan Africa. Basically, why we want to do that is because electric is cheaper for the end user. Electricity is easier and cheaper to produce than fossil fuels. There's also a local air pollution aspect, so this is not just, climate change, UN stuff. It's the local air pollution coming out of the fossil fuel powered motorbikes, Bajaj, TVS, Honda, those kind of guys, is quite dangerous for local people. So it's a very local air pollution problem. Plus then there's also the fossil fuel dependencies on external, non-Kenyan organizations. We have to import how many, mega liters of petrol and diesel every day, and we can just generate the electricity here in Kenya very renewably.
How are you finding the experience here at Tech
good. Very investor focused, which is great. When you're scaling with hardware, like a lot of the actors here are, there's a lot of other friends of ours here doing electric mobility as well. Investment is really important. So, because if you can imagine, if you want to make 10,000 motorbikes, you have to first buy the components for 10,000 motorbikes before I can sell 10,000 to our customers, even if we're going for partnerships and not B2C. So yeah, investment is very important. There's also a lot of very interesting tech companies here, so it's good to network and find other suppliers. We're not trying to reinvent anything here, right? We're just trying to make, I say just, the simple goal is to make an electric boda, not reinvent motorbikes or reinvent technology or reinvent anything like that. So yeah, it's really good to have actors here that have already done it, whether it's IoT, telemetry, data stuff, or it's cloud hosting, or it's other components that the bike needs. Yeah, thanks.
My name is Didi. I work for an organization called MoneyPoint. We aim to create financial happiness for people, and we're doing this by providing an all-in-one platform for businesses to grow. So we do this via banking, payment solutions, credit solutions for them, as well as business management tools. We've more recently gotten into providing these services as well, and that same level of reliability for consumers. What problem are we trying to solve? We are at the heart of things, right? SMEs are the lifeblood of economies, and if they do not have the tools they need to grow, then Africa isn't going to get to the point where it needs to. So MoneyPoint is at the heart of it. We've done that significantly well in Nigeria, and we're planning to do that in a number of other emerging markets, which it's helped these businesses do better, generate better income, because they have better solutions and because they have better access to credit.
So far, how has the experience been for you in this place? Any clients you've gotten, any promising startups?
It's been brilliant, and I'll just tell you two things that just happened now. We had a company that come to us and they're like, oh hey, we have an offer from this different company, but you guys have a better rate, and incidentally we have a better rate. Something else, we had at that same time another client who uses us for that same purpose comes and says, I use you guys and I love it so much. And it's just like serendipity. It was perfect. Yes, so it's been amazing. We've met partners, we've met new partners, we've met, yeah, it's been brilliant. I'm a huge fan of the Africa Tech Summit.
My name is Ujjwal and I'm co-founder of Incash. At Incash, we are building a solution for people who are actually at the bottom of the pyramid. You know that 400 million employed Africans are living on paychecks to paychecks, and the only resort to credit is expensive payday lenders who charge exorbitant amount of interest rate to the people who are actually at the bottom of the pyramid. So in order to solve this, we partner with employers so that their employees can access a part of their own salary anytime they want, and it comes at a very, very low cost. So it's good for both the employers and the employees. So, and it's an exciting journey building Incash. We are backed by C Stars, and they asked us to come for this summit, and we had some really exciting conversations with all the ecosystem stakeholders, and I'm really enjoying my time here.
My name is Roland, and I head the product team at BPay.
What do you do and what is BPay?
Yeah, so BPay is a payment product that allows businesses make and receive payments, make payments, through their vendors, or receive payments from their customers. Our unique payment checkout allows you to offer different payment methods to your customers to receive money. Here in Kenya, for example, we do have cards, mobile money as payment options for businesses to receive payments from their customers. We're also present in Nigeria, where you can actually receive payments with cards, USSD, and bank transfer, and the local payment methods available there. So yeah, that's what we do, basically solving payment problems for businesses. seeing everyone solving the problems or the different problems in different sectors in different ways, right? There's so many payment, companies here, and you can see how like each payment product is different from the other. Each person just tackling a different problem in a different niche. So yeah, it's pretty exciting to see what everyone is working on, and just fostering the whole tech ecosystem here.
My name is Kelvin Mukaria. I'm at Shamiri Health. I'm here representing Shamiri Health. We are loving the summit, incredible people, the opportunities here. Like the kind of work that people are doing here is incredible. We've loved meeting some of our clients, some of our investors, and also like potential partners. And I feel like the Africa Tech Summit, I think this is our second version. Big next year, please don't miss out on the summit.
My name is Aaron and I'm the CFO of Powerpay.
What does Powerpay do?
So Powerpay is one of the leading mobile money PSPs on the continent. We operate across 15 markets in sub-Saharan Africa and have a single API that connects merchants to more than 50 MNOs to have easy access to mobile money.
So far, what's the best experience you've had here at Africa Tech Summit?
I have met so many interesting people and I'm so excited by the new partnerships and new friends that I've made.
My name is Victoria. I'm a country manager for Servercore in Kenya. Servercore is a cloud environmental provider. Servercore is cloud environmental service provider. We have opened local availability zone in Kenya just last October. So what we bring to tech business in Kenya is a reliable solution with 99.98% of SLA. So we have open local availability zone, so you can use local servers and run your tech projects with lower latencies and also with payment in Kenyan shillings, which is very good for local companies. And this is something that we're trying to solve. We want to bring reliable, affordable solution with 24/7 free tech support, so you can actually focus on your business and you can actually grow your products instead of thinking about infrastructure, because we will have it covered.
So far, how are you finding the experience at Africa?
I enjoy it very much. This is my second time on Africa Tech Summit. I visited last year and I can see that the dynamics and the energy is amazing here. I love seeing so many young talent, young companies, as well as corporates as well, all together thinking about our future, how we will develop our businesses, how we'll grow tech industry in general. This is very good, and I love that this is international. We have a lot of guests here, not only from Kenya but from other countries. Very good to see.
Toxic love.